Hey guys, welcome back to the Airdrops YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how to register with BitThumb Airdrop. So let us go to www.desiairdrops.com and click on BitThumb Airdrop. So BitThumb anniversary giveaway is worth of $1,000 to the community members as part of first year anniversary celebrations. To participate, sign up and log into your account, enable two-factor authentication and complete your KYC, and share a prize pool of $1,000 for all the participants. You can also invite your friends to trade and earn an extra of 40% commission for each wallet referral. Alright. So there are 6 simple steps, guys, to complete the registration procedure for BitThumb anniversary giveaway. And about the BitThumb Global. So BitThumb Global provides fiat and cryptocurrencies trading anywhere around the world with certified technology and trading volume. BitThumb Global is distributed centralized exchange launched in 2019 by BGH1 Limited in Seychelles. Highly liquid and efficient market supported by a diverse range of institutional trade market makers and global retail communities. Trade with our unique cross-asset collateral system that allows users to post USDT packs, USDC, BTC and ETH to increase buying or selling power for potentially higher returns. Swap BTC or ETH to USDC and vice versa via our convenient zero-fee one-click conversion portal. So if you want to know more about the BitThumb Airdrop, click here to go to the website of the BitThumb. Alright. So yes, let's start with the registration procedure. Start with step number 1. Sign up at BitThumb Global. Click here to sign up at BitThumb Global. Alright. Give your email address. Guys, you can see here I have been already signed up, so just give your name and click on username. Just a minute. So guys, give your email address here. My email address is desiairdrops@gmail.com and your country. So click I have read and now click on sign up button. Alright, let me choose the country here. Okay, now click on sign up button. Okay, you can see here, guys, my account is already exists because for previous airdrops I have created my account. So let me go to my account, login and come back to you. So guys, I have successfully logged in my account. Now go to your settings here. This is where you have to do your account to be verified. That means you have to do your KYC. Alright. So step number 2, verify your email address. Yes, once you sign up with your email address, guys, you will be receiving an email for the verification. So complete your verification and then immediately log into your account and complete your KYC. So KYC will be done over here in this settings section. Step number 3, share this poster to your Twitter or Facebook with the tag at BitThumb Global. Now click here to copy. Now click on the poster and share this to your Twitter or Facebook. So guys, you can see here I am sharing this in my Twitter account. Now click on tweet button. Alright. So guys, don't forget to give @ BitThumb Global in the Twitter account. I mean any social account where you're going to share. Now step number 4, submit your details to this airdrop form. Click here to submit your details to the airdrop form. So your BitThumb Global or BitThumb UID, it could be your email account. So I have given my email account here. So my email address is desiairdrops@gmail.com and upload your forwarded screenshot. That means so guys, you have to take a screenshot while you the one which you have shared in your social accounts. Now I'm going to take a screenshot of mine and this screenshot has to be shared in your airdrop form. So guys, you can see here I have successfully uploaded my screenshot. The screenshot which I have taken the one which I have shared in my Twitter account. So I will show you once again which I have shared. This is the one which I have shared with @Bitham Global. So don't forget this step, and don't forget to take a screenshot and save in your system as well as. Yes guys, well, as I always say, please have a look on the airdrop information details, either you have given a right information or wrong. Yes, there are only two things which I have to do. This is the email address and then screenshot. Yes, I have given the right information. Now click on submit button. Alright, so you can see here my response has been successfully recorded. So this is the Bitham Global first anniversary phase 2 for gifts for me. Alright, well, step number 5, you can also invite your friends to trade and earn an extra 40% commission for each valid referral. So step number 6, for more details about the official airdrop and visit the official announcement, click here to know more about the official announcement about the Bitham anniversary giveaway. Well, that's all guys about the registration procedure for Bitham airdrop. If you like the Bitham giveaway, don't forget to upvote and comment below. Follow us on Telegram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter for fastest, legit, latest and exclusive airdrops. In addition to this, please subscribe to our newsletter to receive new airdrops every day in your inbox for absolutely free. Have a happy airdropping. Bye bye.